Hi everyone, this is Suresh Kamarapu. I am studying from 3rd BSc MECS in PR Government College, Atana.
My name is P. Nagalakshmi. I am from 3rd BSc.
My name is Devinith. I am from 3rd BSc MECS. Let me introduce our project Smart Car Parking System using Arduino. This is our project report. This is our project certificate. Our project introduction containing abstract, introduction, need for a parking system, history, in-depth review, apparatus, description for UNO IR sensors, servo motor, jumper wires, source code, program code, and so on.
Abstract. In the early times, the concept of smart cities have gained great popularity. The proposed smart parking system consists of an on-site deployment of an IoT module that is used to monitor and signalize the state of availability of single parking space. This paper introduces an IoT-based coordinate framework for efficient and easy way of parking the vehicles by checking the availability of slots. The proposed smart parking framework comprises of an IoT module that is utilized to screen and signal the condition of accessibility of a single parking spot. The paper additionally an abnormal state perspective of the framework engineering. Towards the end, the paper examines the working of the framework in types of an utilization case that demonstrates the rightness of the proposed show. The higher proximity range direction sensors is utilized with Arduino to indicate the empty slot. Able to find the empty slot in parking to park the car and help the driver to find the slot easy and reduce the searching time. As the parking space is found to be empty, it is detected using IR proximate sensors which report is further. We achieve this is by programming the sensors and Arduino.
In the current scenario, the problems associated with vehicle parking are increased day by day. We are going to make an automatic car parking project using Arduino UNO for detecting the movements of vehicles. We are using IR sensors and display. The parking status we are using a 16 into LCD display. This is our project in-depth review. Our project components are: this is Arduino UNO 16 into LCD display with I2C module, 2 IR proximity sensors, and 1 servo motor and jumper wires and breadboard are used. We make the connections as a diagram shown in the picture. In this project, we are using two codes, one code for LCD display, another main code for car parking system. The first code, that is LCD 16 into 12 I2C scanner code. This code is used to find the address of LCD display. By uploading, we will get the hexadecimal address of 16 into LCD display that we will use our main code. The LCD code, and the second one is main code for car parking. In the main code, we can change the number of slots in here. The int slot, this is the initial message we can see on our display. If the slots are full, I2C shows the this message, sorry, parking is full. As we see, the car parking having 4 slots. These available 4 slots are shown in the display. When the first sensor detects the car, open the gate, and the second sensor detects the car and close the gate. If car when the car passes from first sensor to second sensor, the slots showing in the display decremented by one value. If all the parking slots are full, it shows the available information, that is parking is full and does not allow to open the gate. In this way our project works.
Hence, this is the process of my project. The first car was entered into the parking slot. Then the second car was entered into the parking slot. The third car entered into the parking slot. Finally, the fourth car also entered into the parking slot. Now all parking slots are full. Now fifth car is coming. Here the gate didn't give access because our program is restricted to limited parking spaces. Hence, the gate didn't open. Here displaying the parking slots are full. If we need to access the other car, then we have to remove one parking space inside the parking slots. Then the other car was entered into the parking slot.
The main motto of the system to save the driver waiting time.
My heartily thankful to Principal of PR College, Sri Dr. B.V. Tirupati sir.
Adapted department, Krishna Prasad sir.
Our lecturer in charge, Srikanth sir.
Thank you.